won't go until we get some.
It's just like a football chant.
So bring some right now.
Now you're an outlaw.
Second verse.
Same as the first.
Just last night I was reminded of just how bad it had gotten. Oh, sorry. Wrong. Second verse.
It didn't film.
What happened? Scottish ballad.
What have we on later?
It didn't film.
Can you do it an encore? Because it didn't film, and I think you didn't have the words quite right.
No,
So-
you did totally mess it up.
Bring it right now.
What are the correct words?
Yeah, so bring it right here.
Bring it right here, not right now.
No.
Bring it right.
A true outlaw.
Hello. Grandma better get out here to really supervise this.
Grandma, we need you.
It's always here. It's not here.
Now.
You ready, Barb?
Grandma, you're needed for your expertise and wisdom.
I mean, I've heard it for
We need your figgy pudding
40 odd years
expertise.
now.
We all want some figgy pudding. We all want some figgy pudding. We all want some figgy pudding. So bring some right here. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some.